Mr. Sir.
The Honorable Minister of State, the Federal Capital Territory, the Permanent Secretary of FCTA, the Solicitor General, the electoral umpire, the chairman of the electoral process, the newly elected chairman and members of the executive, the elders of the corps, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, let me join the Honorable Minister of State and the Permanent Secretary to congratulate the newly elected chairman and members of your team for emerging victorious in the just concluded election. Let me also congratulate the electoral umpire for conducting a free and fair, not violent election. And also those who lost for accepting to work together with those who emerged. The press is as important as the other core components of democracy. If any society is to progress, if there should be development, the press has a lot of role to play, negative and positive. Negative, selfish, positive for the interests of the country. Whatever you report has a way to influence the opinion of the citizenry. We're all human. We do know that we have our own biases. But it's important that to put your own bias aside and protect or project the interests of the country. There's no society that can move forward without the support of the press. All our activities as ministers, their permanent secretary, directors, can only be appreciated by the public based on what the press reports. And that's why it is very, very important to report accurately. Even when you are told to play a role that may be dangerous, as a lover of this country, as a lover of FCT, you can say no. This will distort. This will not give us any improvement. I've always said that for those who don't know, some of you do not even have, in fact, what I've always said, that the press should do what we call investigative journalism, not story. I was told, have you investigated before you come up to the public to tell them I can let anybody challenge me? I have my facts. I've investigated this before you come to the public. Because you see, it is the moment you say out, by the time you begin to come back, it is too late. The damage has been done. You know, it is easy to destroy than to build. So I've always said that we must be very, very careful. We came as ministers. Nobody has seen us. 2 days ago, it was 1 week. As ministers, 1 week. 1 week. People expect miracle. It was for the first time, was yesterday, I even tried to treat fires So nobody has even bothered. Have we settled down? What can you do within 1 week? I'm not a prophet. I don't want to be. There are those that have taken that responsibility. I'm not here to perform miracle. Neither is ofThe here to perform any miracle. But we have to work with the support of every stakeholder, and the press is very, very key. Just a few days ago, you said, I promise to deliver a Millennium Park in the 24 months. Where did I say that? Where did I say that? All I said, we are trying to see how we can carry some projects, discuss with the contractors. So, okay, for example, contractor A, will it take you 2 years to do this? How much are we going to be paying you? Contractor B, is it going to take you 1 year or 2 years? Tell us, so I will know how much we are going to apportion. That's what we said. I never said I'm going to deliver Millennium back 2 years. But if it's the will of God, it should be delivered soon. So be it. But tell the public what we said. Yesterday, when the FCTA, I never said 8 something billion. I never said so. I said million. Where is Charles? Where is the lady? Somebody sent me on your page that said 8 something billion. I didn't say so. I didn't say so. So I had to call the director of press. Look, what is this? So you see, we have to be, assuming you didn't hear well, it's within your purview to call the director of press. Look, I don't know what I had well. You know, no ministry, not to talk about, can release such money. It means we have such money and all projects are abandoned to go and pay for land compensation. So the point I'm making, we have to report the correct thing. That's the point we're trying to make. Maybe it was a mistake, but I thought you should have corrected it. You are paid to say, no, that was not correct. And so I just have to say some of this is, anything didn't get clear from us, let us know. We are here to work together. I have an interview now. So many people have said this and said that. With time you begin to know most of us. Don't write based on your, made up mind, what you used to hear. They said. Give him the opportunity. When the president addressed the Nigerian Bar Association on Sunday, everybody was taken aback. Look at the level of intelligence. Speech was preferred for Mr. President, he dumped it. He was talking intellectually. Some people think, God, is it? This is not what we had. Nigeria is a place where you can crucify somebody. You've not even had opportunity to hear from him. Kill him. It doesn't work that way. We have to change our mindset. That's the only way we can move on. So you have a lot of work. We are friends of everybody. I'm a friend of devil. I'm a friend of everything. For you to survive here, the good and the bad, the ugly, you have to. So don't go and quote me and I said, yeah, because you see, that is, yes. Yeah, because that's what you will say. You will take it out of context. For me to survive here, the Minister of State to work and achieve body good, the ugly and the bad. We have to carry everybody along. That is the import of what I'm saying. Because you see, because the kind of things you hear, all people say, that I had a press conference, I was there, people, for Christ's sake,